Hi friend, do you want to buy the high quality shoes zipper to make your shoes? Look at these shoes I bought from the market with about 50 USD. So now let's check the quality for the shoes zipper. First, you can see the slider plating is very well. This slider plating is made by hanging plating way, not the baler plating way. And second, we should check the puller is comfortable for pulling or not. You see this shape is very comfortable. And then let's check the running situation is good or not. You see, I land this very comfortable, very smooth. So if you need such as this high quality shoes zipper, you are welcome to contact us. We will give you more detailed information and free sample. Thank you.